Inflation is rising worldwide, and many people struggle to make ends meet. A lot of persons have found themselves on the wrong side of history by complaining. But do you know that with as little as $100,000, you can become $100,000 richer? And who better than the legendary investor Warren Buffett to guide us through this journey? All you need to arm yourself with are the relevant rules. Join us in today's video as we break down the steps required to work this magic.
You should spend a little bit less than you earn.
Number 1. Live on less than you earn. Bill Gates wears modest clothes, still frequents local cheap burger places, and sports a $10 watch. Warren Buffett has lived in the same house he bought for $31,500 in 1958. Steve Jobs wore the same outfit most of his adult life. Wealthy people don't need to impress others with their money. Broke people who want to impress other broke people do. If you want to grow your money, you must resist spending above your income and trying to impress others. The Oracle of Omaha is a man with the means to purchase anything, but he is a champion of living within your means. Before swiping your card on any item, ask yourself if those new items are worth it. Every expenditure that doesn't yield a return is a sacrifice of your future. Is dining out for $100 worth it when you could potentially have an extra $100,000 by year's end?
By far the best investment you can make is in yourself.
Number 2. Improve your earning ability. Warren Buffett always said, the greatest investment you can make is in yourself. In order to increase $100 to $100,000, you need to stand out from others, and investing in yourself can help you achieve this. This option cuts across everyone, both owners of businesses and their workers. As an employee, you can work on yourself to become indispensable at your job. You can also go out of your way to get more information about your role, industry, and company. This will automatically make you an expert in that field. If you run a business, you can go all out to make it better than your competitors. By doing so, your customers will always come back for more. The goal is to stay away from mediocrity at all levels. People want to get value everyone. They part ways with their cash. Number 3. Start a small business. Another option is to start a small business and use the $100,000 as seed capital. While starting a business can be risky and require significant time and effort, it can also be a potential source of income and growth. $100 is not a lot for an offline business, but there are some you could try. The best way to get a lucrative business going quickly is online. One successful branch of profitable online businesses is connecting buyers and sellers successfully. The internet brought a new range of suppliers for the same or similar products. It has become ever so hard to choose and differentiate between suppliers. So successful businesses offer the best search options, exclusive discounts, and reviews, making them stand out. This is why we have eBay, Airbnb, Uber, Book Escape Rooms, and the rest. None of them own anything they offer, but their website is designed to make it easy to find, book, and enjoy. The marketing that goes into making such a site successful is undoubtedly massive, but it would help if you were innovative. Don't compete with them. Find your niche, start small, think big, and your $100 can become a number with many more zeros. If you've reached this far, it means you're enjoying our content. Be sure to hit that subscribe button to keep seeing valuable videos like this. Number 4. Buy something used that you know about and resell it. Buy something you know someone else would want and make it something they can afford. Offer your item online and use social media to let more people know that the item is available. People buy and resell laptops, bicycles, sunglasses, jewelry, coins, gemstones, clothing, tools, lawnmowers, firearms, trailers, vehicles, books, etc. Some items will require some knowledge about them before you can be comfortable buying and selling them. For example, please don't buy a gemstone and expect to make a profit on it unless you are familiar with gemstones. You might end up paying for glass and plastic gemstones that are worthless and unsellable. You may want to spend the whole amount on one item, or when you start, You may want to buy a few smaller items and practice with it. Number 5. Freelancing. Freelancing can help you increase your income potential in several ways. First, it allows you to take on as much work as you can handle, so you can earn more by working more. Second, you can potentially charge higher rates as a freelancer because you are not tied to a single employer and can offer services to a broader range of clients. Freelancing allows you to diversify your income streams, so you are not reliant on a single source of income. This can help to stabilize your overall financial situation and steadily increase your $100 to a whopping $100,000 in less than 12 months. Offer your skills, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Complete projects for clients willing to pay for your services. Number 6. Task apps. Earning a steady income from a mobile app can be a great way to supplement your income, but it's essential to remember that not all apps are created equal, and earning potential can vary greatly. If you're looking to earn $20 to $50 daily, here are a few apps you can consider. Survey apps. Survey apps like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, and Inbox Dollars pay you for completing surveys, watching videos, and performing other small tasks. While the pay per task may be small, you can accumulate rewards over time and cash out once you reach a certain amount. It's a simple way to earn money in your free time, but don't expect to replace your full-time income with this method. Gig apps. Gig apps such as Uber, Lyft, TaskRabbit, and Postmates allow you to offer services to people in your area. For example, you can sign up as a driver for Uber or Lyft and earn money by transporting people to their destinations. You can also offer your services as a handyman, cleaner, or delivery person through TaskRabbit or Postmates. The earning potential from these apps can vary depending on demand, but it can be an excellent way to make some extra cash. Investing apps. Investing in apps such as Robinhood, Acorns, and Stash allows you to invest in the stock market with small amounts of money. While the returns can be modest, you can gradually build your investment portfolio and earn passive income over time. It's an excellent way to learn about investing and grow your wealth, but it's essential to understand the risks and diversify your portfolio. Number 7. Offer services. Are there businesses you can start for less than $100? With today's digital technology, you can. A startup business can be established with little to no money and has the potential to scale. Some of these business ideas include house painting. In many states like Florida, you do not need a painting contractor license, and if you start with indoor painting, you can get by with a minimum of equipment. Then there is also pet sitting. Pet sitters charge as much as $100 for overnight stays, and $20 is typical for a 20-minute visit. Tutoring is another easy business you can start for less than $100. Marketing your tutoring services used to be more difficult, but online platforms make it easier than ever. Tutors commonly charge up to $50 per hour, and although these websites take a healthy cut of that, they provide a no-cost way to start. From there, you can build a local clientele and start hiring others to work for your business. Finally, you have to know that the rules of wealth are like gravity. Gravity does not distinguish between people who are good and people who are bad. It applies to all equally. So do not delay. Jump on one of these ideas immediately. Remember to hit the subscribe button to get more of these contents.